Not a lot of tools, but I'm getting there. Got 3 snap-ons, snap-on, 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 gear wrench, gear wrench, gear wrench, snap-on torque wrench. Mac Tools twist sockets, or not twist sockets, but swivel sockets. These are all cheap, Mastercraft, Canadian Tire bullshit. Blue Point, I'm still finishing up my set on this. Mac Tools. These right here, semi snap-ons, twist sockets. Just an apprentice, so Mac, snap-on, Mastercraft. This one I'm going to replace with the Mac Tools. Snap-on flank. Ratcheting wrenches, snap-on. This set here, Mastercraft, cheap Canadian Tire tools, Craftsman. Mac Tools pliers. The only thing in here that's not Mac Tools is my snap-on tie rod end tool. All Mac Tools, chisels, hammers, pry bars. Nothing's in this drawer because I'm still reorganizing. Most of my sockets that you saw up there came from here. Another set, this one here, Mac Tools, air hammer, brake caliper set for Mazdas and Dodge Caravans. Gloves drawer, Mac. Extra sockets. Pliers, not a lot, not the best, but they work. Pens. What's this shit? Mac Tools. I owe a lot of money. And Mastercraft. All in all, around $4,000 worth of tools. Not too bad.